What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? Last video of the night. You know how it is. A mixed bag across the market, guys. Welcome into the crypto future. I'm your host, the future. Let's have a look at what's going on, guys, around the market. We got some big Jasmy and junction news, guys. You're going to want every little piece of it. So, Jasmy down 3.5 on the day, 4 on the week, up 2.1 on the month, and down 31.5 on the year. Down 2 spots and ranked to 87 with an $838 million market cap, 36 million in volume. Swift coin up almost 2% on the day, down 1% on the week, down 2% on the month, but up 219% on the year. Up 4 spots and ranked to 280 with a $144 million market cap, 2.95 million in volume. You love to see it, guys. Volume's picking up a little bit on Swift. Onyx coin up 1.5% on the day, down 3.5 on the week, down 2.5 on the month, but up 860 on the year. Up 2 spots in rank to 112, $638 million market cap, and 29 million in volume. And of course, the beast, ZBEC, up 2.5% on the day, 157% on the week, 363% on the month, and 153% on the year. Up 1 spot in rank to 154, $395 million market cap, and 116 million in volume. Cookie's having a nice little correction today, guys. By the way, if you were over on the Patreon, you'd know we did a great little swing trade on Cookie over the last 24 hours. It was spiking last night. We took a lot of profit, put it back in down at the bottom today, picked up a nice big bag of extra Cookie, guys. You're missing out on massive swing trades over there. We've done 3 fantastic swing trades in the last 3 days. You're missing out. If you're not over there, guys, get over there. That's where we're making the cheddar. All right, let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart. What's happening, guys? What happened on the daily close? So we were trying to close above the previous all-time high we had earlier in the year, about $109,600. Unfortunately, we did not reach that goal. We closed at $109,340. So because we didn't get up here and close above this level, we wicked all the way back down to about 107,500. But look at that buying pressure, guys. Look at that buying pressure. Wicked right back up again. Now, we could yo-yo over the next, I don't know, what, 17, 18 hours till the daily candle closes. But what I would say is I think we could come down. I think we're probably going to get up over this hump tomorrow. You see the selling pressure on the upside. You see the buying pressure on the downside. Things are getting pretty tight here. That's what she said. So probably going to close in the green tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and make that guess right now. We got to get back up here and start closing daily candles above $109,600. That's our target. That's where the eyes are on the prize so that we can move up to about $120,000 afterwards. So yeah, very, very good. Need the RSI to cool off a little bit. Let's go have a look over at ZBEC's chart, shall we? All right, because I know you guys are just dying to see the ZBEC chart. So as we can see, guys, we hit inside the golden pocket. I put this second one here as a potential target for a friend of mine, Cesar. Shout out to Cesar. He said it was potential to go up to that level. So I put it there just to kind of keep an eye on it. But here we are, guys, 20488. I think that there's more correction to come, in my opinion, on ZBEC. Now, a lot of people got angry at me because I said that, guys. Listen, nothing goes straight up forever, right? Now, is it possible, I've been getting asked, is it possible that we consolidate where we are right now? Maybe we build a bit of a bull pennant here. Yes, that is entirely possible, and we continue up. That's possible. But I think we're going to see a little bit of a deeper correction than that. You know what? I'm going to leave the bull pennant there just in case, right? We're going to widen it a little bit just in case, right? We'll just leave it there. That's a little bit of a thesis for us, guys, right? Will we make a bull pennant here and break to the upside? Well, I guess we'll find out, right? Entirely possible. Entirely possible. So we're going to track it. We'll see what happens. But I think we are in for a deeper correction, guys. I mean, we could correct all the way down. As long as we keep closing daily candles inside this bull pennant, then, yeah, it'll all be good, right? But if we start closing candles down in these levels, obviously we're going to continue down lower. I think we could correct as far as 2033 to 2035. But guys, the RSI is insane. Like, people are upset. They're like, well, why are you saying it's going to correct? Listen, guys, if you're asking why anyone's saying a project is going to correct, it shows a massive lack of experience in the market. Look at the RSI right now, guys. Look at the RSI. We're sitting up at, 85.40 on the RSI. We're really, really high right now, guys. We were as high as 90, right? We've cooled off a tiny little bit over the day. But, man, we need this to cool off, right? We are in overbought like a mofo right now, right? So take it easy. Don't freak out on me, man. I am just giving you the news, right? So yeah, let me just adjust this a little bit. So yeah, we need a little bit of cooling off on the RSI. Nothing wrong with that, guys. Nothing wrong with that. And that could happen with just some consolidation here inside this bull pennant, sorry. But we'll track it and we'll see what happens, guys, right? Continuing on to some of the news. We got some big Jasmy junction news to get into, guys. I'm excited. But first, a quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet, guys. We just had one of the members of our community over on Discord got scammed, wallet drained, lost everything today, guys. This is why you need a self-custody wallet that cannot be hacked or you can't be stolen from, right? Get yourselves ones today, guys. Use our link down below. Listen, they have like a 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet right now, or you can get the card wallet even. They're like $5. Keep your crypto safe, guys, right? I keep saying this, and one of our very own community members gets scammed over on Discord, right? I'm not saying this to hear myself talk. Protect yourself, okay? Use our link down below and get a phenomenal deal on it as well, guys. Check it out for yourselves. I have it. You should have it. Everyone should have it. All right, so we got a visit in on friend of the channel, NeoXtrix, Neo-Sun. Make sure you give him a follow over on X. Phenomenal community contributor to the Jasmy Junction ecosystem. We're going to talk about nodes, guys, or GPUs, I mean, sorry. Let's get into this clip that NeoXtrix has made. Absolutely fantastic.
The team aims to make its platform even more accessible, particularly by simplifying the development environment for application creators. A key focus is the introduction of an English interface, clearer documentation, and enhanced technical support. At the same time, Jasmy is intensifying its international efforts with particular attention to Southeast Asia. The year 2025 promises stronger communications and several major announcements ahead. Junction, on its part, has undergone a major transformation. It is no longer just a side project, but now a true decentralized physical infrastructure built on a simple idea. Everyone should be able to own and benefit from their own assets, including their data and computing power. Today, artificial intelligence, image generation, video rendering, and large-scale data processing all heavily rely on a single resource, the GPU. Originally designed for gaming, GPUs have become essential for any task that requires massive parallel processing. Unlike CPUs, GPUs can execute thousands of operations simultaneously, making them ideal for machine learning and AI models. However, this exponential demand has led to a global shortage. GPU prices are skyrocketing, lead times stretch up to a year, and the market is dominated by a few major players. In Japan and across Asia, the situation is especially strained. This is where Junction steps in with a disruptive approach. The idea is to allow any user to share an unused GPU, whether it's in a gaming PC, a company server, a university lab, or even a cyber cafe. In return, the owner gets paid. And to make this process smooth, simple, and secure, Junction relies on Docker technology. To visualize this, imagine a box containing everything needed to run an application: the code, libraries, and required files. Thanks to Docker, this box can be sent and run on any computer without conflicts or manual setup. This allows Junction to distribute AI or processing tasks across its network seamlessly. Each user receives a container, runs it via their GPU, and is paid automatically through smart contracts deployed on the network. The system is based on a fixed-rate subleasing model. Even if the GPU isn't used 24/7, the owner still earns income. This is an ideal solution for schools, creative studios, researchers, or startups that have available resources but variable needs. Today, over 4,500 GPU nodes are already active in Japan, Hong Kong, and Singapore. The network offers fast block times and 99.9% reliability. The goal is ambitious: reach 100,000 nodes. To achieve this, Junction is targeting 6 main markets: AI startups, 3D and video studios, streaming platforms, research centers, game developers, and of course, owners of underutilized GPUs. At the same time, an Ethereum-based Junction token is in preparation. It will be used to reserve GPU power, participate in the ecosystem, and unlock additional rewards, including Jasmy tokens. This dual incentive system is designed to encourage the large-scale acquisition, sharing, and use of GPU power. The tokens will be tradable, storable, or reinvestable into hardware to further strengthen the network.
Now, a little bit of a sneak peek, guys. Listen, I talked earlier today about it, and I've got a video coming out in more detailed explanation about this whole issue. Okay, Microsoft has been purchasing mass amounts of GPU chips from NVIDIA, guys. Listen, the tariffs are a scare to companies, and people are buying them up. The scarcity of these GPU processing power chips and GPU processing power in general is becoming more and more difficult to come by, and that is why this is good for Jasmy, operating a GPU cloud, making GPU processing power cheap and available to companies in the 6 sectors that he just talked about, naming AI agents, Web3 gaming, and so on, and graphic design, so on and so forth, right? This is massive for Jasmy and Junction. And again, I'm going to be going into greater detail about it tomorrow in a video, so don't miss that. And speaking of which, guys, big news for our Patreon community. So we have been ordering so many Junction nodes that the Jasmy team reached out to me this evening, and I'm in contact with them now. They wanted to thank us in our community, and they wanted to talk to me specifically. And I am in talks. I've responded. I am in talks with them now to try to acquire a deal on acquiring the nodes for operating for Jasmy and Junction, guys, in our Patreon only community. Okay, so if you want to be a part of this, guys, this is developing very quickly. They just reached out to me tonight, so we're going to keep this updated over on the Patreon, guys. Listen, we're going to be operating these nodes, passive income galore. If this is something you're interested in, I highly suggest you get over to the community, guys. We are always providing passive income opportunities. We're trying to get a deal together right now for the Patreon community so they can get these nodes cheaper than most, okay? So come aboard, guys. Check it out for yourselves. And listen, again, I dropped if you're sitting there on the sidelines right now, and you're looking at projects like ZBEC, and you're asking, if I missed it, is it too late to buy some, right? Or should I ape in, or whatever it is, guys? Listen, we got in early on XCN in 2024, guys. In March of 2024, we made a killing on that, over 500% returns. Fast forward, what did we do? We got in early 7-8 months ago on ZBEC. Right now, you are witnessing us making a fortune on ZBEC. We're going to roll those profits over when we're done. I dropped the next gem video over on the Patreon yesterday, guys. Get in there. The next one that's going to take off. We're not talking meme coins that are going to rug pull on you, guys. We're talking solid utility projects, great fundamentals. The partnerships are going to boggle your mind. If you think the partnerships for ZBEC are good, wait till you see this project, guys. I made a video updating it all because we've had such a massive influx of new Patreon members over the last 72 hours since we dropped this gem. We are in full-fledged accumulation mode right now before it takes off, guys. This is going to be the next one, in our opinion. Get over there. Don't miss it, guys. The link is down below. That's what we do, right? Don't be sitting on the sidelines 4, 5, 6 weeks from now when this next one pops off going, is it too late to buy in on that one too? Don't miss the boat, guys, right? Get in where you fit in. The link is down below in the description. We're also live over there every single night. We have a massive community, 8 different chat rooms. Everyone's always helping each other out and stuff like that. Check that out as well, guys. We drop educational content, microcap gems, And the best part about it is if you need mentorship in this space, we have mentorship coaching calls you can be a part of. They're absolutely free as a Patreon member, guys. We will help teach you how to structure a portfolio, exit strategies, profit-taking plans, exiting the market with your profits intact, how to be proactive with your banks, right? How to flip your profits from one project to the other, how to identify studs from duds when it comes to these projects, how to identify rug pulls, and so much more. Technical analysis training, understanding the sentiment in the market, the mental and emotional aspects of it. There is so much that goes into crypto, and we can mentor you through all of it, guys. Come aboard, get in on our mentorship coaching calls. They're absolutely free as a Patreon member, so take advantage of it. Again, the link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.